Welcome to Auto Tech Talk. In this episode, I will be comparing some features and specs between the Mercedes-Benz EQE and the EQS. They definitely do look alike, but there are those tweaks to them and each is actually distinct. Stay tuned and please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk. The EQ models of Mercedes are the foundation of the future electric mobility for Mercedes. They get to define the electric segment DNA in terms of design language and craftsmanship for Mercedes-Benz. The EQE is the younger sibling of the EQS. The EQE combines high-quality materials and game-changing, noticeable innovation. The wheelbase of the EQE is 3.5 inches shorter as compared to the EQS. In the EQE, you inhale and exhale from the high-performance filter at an efficiency of 99.65%. The high-efficiency particulate air filter can clean the incoming air of the smallest particles, such as pollen and fine dust particles, and neutralize unpleasant odors. 10 massage programs are found in the EQE. The seats consist of 8 chambers and 4 vibration elements to ensure the highest levels of comfort in the multi-contour seats. Some differences to the EQE as compared to the EQS is the steering wheel and new stitching on the seats. The cabin is 3.14 inches longer than the E-Class saloon, 1.0 inches more shoulder space, and the seats are 2.5 inches higher for extra leg support. The 430-liter boot of the EQE is 110 liters less than the E-Class saloon boot and 25 liters smaller than the boot of the C-Class. The rear axle steering is optional at an additional cost to enhance agile driving dynamics. Parking your EQE is made much more convenient by having an option to park it using your smartphone and a remote parking app. The app is available for both Android and iOS users. This is a significant milestone to autonomous driving. The exterior design of the EQE, since it's an electric, it gave designers the opportunity to design minimalistically, a sealed grille, less cooling intakes on the front bumper. The EQE is much less wide. The charging port is on the left side of the car. Based on my opinion, the EQE shares a lot of design DNA with the A-Class sedan. The conventional chrome bars of the grille were replaced by Mercedes-Benz logos arranged in curved bracket patterns. On the rear of the EQE, for the first time on Mercedes models, is the married lights that create a home for the Mercedes badge. The brake lights and black trim bumper are similar to that of the EQS. The design is very futuristic. The design on the EQ models of Mercedes is basically a visual interpretation of future mobility. Performance details: 90 kilowatt-hour, 410-mile range battery, 170 kilowatt charging capability, single motor with 292 horsepower, rear wheel steering. The EQE comes with 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels. And what's more to say about the EQE? Nothing can be stored inside the hood. The hood is completely sealed. The EQS, the brother to the EQE, with a much longer wheelbase. The front grille is one of the best items that distinguishes between the EQE and the EQS. The front grille on the EQS has a more angular, smooth, lengthier linear shape and has an LED light blending well with the day running light inside the headlamps. The air intakes on the front bumper are still more or less similar. The two-tone color on the EQS indeed makes it conspicuous and distinct from the EQE. 107.8 kilowatt-hour battery capacity and charging from an AC source of 240 volts. Charging may take up to 11.25 hours and 31 minutes from a 200 kilowatt DC fast charging source. 329 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque from the EQS, 450 plus and 516 horsepower and 611 pound-feet of torque from the EQS 580 4MATIC. The EQS 450 Plus can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds, and the EQS 580 4MATIC in just 4.1 seconds, with an estimated top speed of 130 miles per hour. The EQS also comes with the rear axle steering up to 4.5 degrees, and optionally, it can be maximized up to 10 degrees. Furthermore, the EQE features aromatic air suspension with adaptive damping system, dynamic select including comfort, sport, eco, and individual driving modes, adjustable regenerative braking with steering wheel paddles, active ambient lighting with illuminated door sill panels, keyless start, keyless go with seamless door handles, hands-free access, active parking assist with all-round view camera, digital intelligent lighting system with front and rear LED light bands, active high beam assist, driver assist package with active distance assist Distronic, including active lane keeping, blind spot assist, pre-safe plus including pre-safe impulse side, wireless smartphone integration, and wireless front smartphone charger. The EQE also features new generation MBUX multimedia system with augmented reality navigation system, including natural language understanding and keyword activation. The EQS 580 4MATIC has an optional MBUX hyperscreen with 3 displays under a 56-inch curved glass surface, sectioned into a 12.4-inch instrument cluster, 17.7-inch central OLED touchscreen display, and 12.3-inch passenger display. 8 CPU cores, 24 GB of RAM, and 46.4 GB per second RAM memory. This is rated as the largest display ever in the Mercedes-Benz production line. Haptic feedback of 12 actuators under the touchscreen display surface. 27 languages are recognized under the Natural Language Understanding System. This NLU system also allows one to control the MBUX system. Motor companies are trying to implement AI technology at least at every necessary aspect of the vehicle. AI technology inside the EQS can process data for intuitive driver suggestions. MBUX with up to 7 profiles can be activated by biometric authentication, voice recognition, and facial recognition. Now on the EQS 450 Plus, it features a 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen portrait display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication of the driver to activate profile, active ambient lighting with 64 colors, including a new EQ color scheme, front and rear automatic doors with smart power open and close, digital light with light band, active ambient lighting, heated leather seats with multi-contour ambient light illumination, comfort front headrest and rear headrest pillows, Burmester 3D sound system with sound personalization, HEPA air filtration for cabin air filtration, multi-contour front seats with massage, 4-zone climate control, soft closed doors, comfort center, armrest with wireless charging, panorama roof, and 20-inch wheels are all unique details of the EQS. It was a pleasure to present to you these amazing EQ Mercedes models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on any content right here on Auto Tech Talk.